New goal, we're gonna try to par the first 3, par the last 3, and forget about the middle 12, because they've been an absolute disaster.
We are at Riverdale Dunes, Peter Dye. We're about 5,000 elevation.
Yeah, maybe a touch under a mile. Brighton, Colorado, just northeast of Denver. Your first time playing in Colorado, right?
Never played at elevation before.
Shout out Colorado Golf Association. Moved out here April of 2021 and just need to start exploring the public golf around Denver. And this is a course that consistently people mentioned. Great value, great conditions. So our first time seeing it.
Yeah.
We're gonna play it from the gold tees today.
Which is the all the way back.
All the way back, a little over 7,000.
Yeah, just under 7,100. We're really hoping for a little pop from the elevation. Let's go launch them.
All right, let's get some balls in the air. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, it's not laying up if you can't get home. How far?
269.
Okay.
Play it like 245 maybe?
Yeah. Was that 7-iron for you?
Yeah, right. No, let's see what a 3-iron can do. Did it good?
Sounded flushed.
He's so good. There's no elevation gain here. This is crazy. That was 40 yards short. So what do you think so far?
I'm really impressed. It's Wednesday afternoon. We kind of have the course to ourselves a little bit. I think it's in fantastic shape.
The gunch is giving me some. It's giving me some flashbacks to high school golf in Kansas, where you put it in there. I mean, you might as well just pack it in.
Right. A little bit of the gunge in the prairie grass.
We knew we would.
We knew we would. Very punish. If you hit an extremely bad shot, like I did off the tee, you're gonna get punished. Oh God, maybe we can't.
Need to use all his torque in this one.
Oh my God. See it. God.
Oh my gosh. There it is. God, what a success that was.
I think we're laying 6.
Oh. Be good.
Ben for his birdie on 8. Somebody break it open for us. Ben second on a par 5 9. 7-iron. Oh, come on.
Oh. Boy, was it trying.
Birdie at 9.
That's great. We're getting inspired out here. We're going GIR hunting.
Oh, it's the best fun today. Ben, after such a good drive on the par 5 11th, has 270 to the hole, 3-wood.
Boy, that's just not good. Uh-oh. What do we do?
Oh my God, we pushed our luck. I pushed our luck.
So we can go forward, we can't go back. All right, just finished up on number 13. It's been fun.
It's been really fun. This course is really nice. I feel disappointed that my game is kind of falling apart because it's the type of place you just feel like you can go low with the conditioning, and everything's kind of out in front of you.
Just looks very handsome and very proper, fairly angular, and snaking through through some dunes, I guess. Some artificial mounding. It might be real. Who knows?
Yeah, who could say? Huh?
What are you thinking about clubbing so far? Big, this whole elevation thing might be a massive scam. What do you got into this one?
240.
240 par 4?
Yeah. It's like I got to hit the ball well to even matter, but I'm about a club. Fun little drivable par 4, 14 here, 337 from the gold tees. So I don't know. Let's give it a rip, huh? Lovely little chip saddle. Hey!
That went in, right? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Pete, Miss Alice Dye.
So this is the signature hole, huh?
Gotta be.
I really like the stretch 14 to 18, kind of over in a little corner of the property, a little bit more trees around, some good golf holes back here. Really good course. I'm so impressed. We've made some friends out here. How much you want to bet they didn't have the 1:30 tee time?
I can't. You know, I think it was probably the 12:30.
Probably 12:30.
Let's see what Randy can do after getting his ass absolutely chewed out.
Got back oh, sad but true. No birdies for the boys at Riverdale Dunes. But we did get in one big argument.